Playing our 12s. This is the last number you need to master to finish all your multiplication facts for fourth grade. You've done 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s, 8s, 9s, 10s, and 11s so far this year. 12 is our last number. Can be a little tricky, but I think there's parts, when you think about the 12, there's parts about it you've done really well this year. So I want to kind of just talk to you about them and then help you finish this last number. Okay, let's start with some of the easier ones. 1 times 12, I believe you know your ones. So 1 times 12, when you multiply by 1, you get the same number. That's 12. 2 times 12, remember we multiply by 2s, you know this, we double that number. When we double 12, we get 24. 3 times 12. Now I'm going to start showing you a trick we can do for the bottom 4 numbers. 3 times 12, think of it this way. Go 3 times 1. You know 3 times 1, that's 3. And then we're going to go 3 times 2. 3 times 2, you know 2, that's 6. So 3 times 12, 36. Okay, let's do 4 times 12. Same kind of trick here. 4 times 1 is 4. You know that. And 4 times 2, you also know, that's 8. 4 times 2 is 8, so 4 times 12 is 48. Now, once you get past 4, you can't really use this trick of just multiplying those digits by digits, but I'll show you another step in a minute. Now with the 5s, you might just want to count by 5s, which I know you know how to do. So we're just going to count by 5s by 12s, till 12. So you go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Now I'm out of fingers, 50, I have to go 2 more. 55, 60. 5 times 12 is 60. Okay? Once I get up to here, I'm going to show you another trick. Okay, with this one, when I multiply the 6, I'm going to say this 6 is like multiplying by this 1. This 1 represents 10. So I'm going to think of 6 times 10, which you know is 60. 6 times 10 is 60. And I'm going to think of this 6 times 2. You know 6 times 2. We double our 6, we get 12. 6 times 2 is 12. I'm going to add 60 plus 12. 0 plus 2, we know is 2. 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 times 12 is 72. Now again, when you're doing your that quiz, you're not in time, so if you want to take a whiteboard, a piece of paper with a pencil, and kind of do it this way as you practice these, that's fine. I'm okay with that. I just want to teach you some strategies on how to solve these. Okay, same thing. Let's do 7 times 12. 7. Think of that 1 as a 10. 7 times 10 is 70. And 7 times 2, and we double our 7, is 14. And we add 70 plus 14. 0 plus 4 is 4. 7 plus 1 is 8. 7 times 12 is 84. Same thing here. 8 times this 1, which is a 10. 8 times 10, you know, is 80. And then 8 times 2, double our 8, we get 16. And add 16 to 80, and we get 96. 8 times 12 is 96. Okay, 9 times 12, same thing. 9 times this 1, which represents a 10. 9 times 10, you know, is 90. And then 9 times 2, double our 9, we get 18. 90 plus 18, 0 plus 8 is 8. 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 times 12 is 108. Okay, now we're going to go by tens. I just want you to count by tens to 12 by 12s. So we can count by our tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I'm out of fingers. I need to go 2 more. 110, 120. Or you can even do the strategy when you with your zeros. 1 times 12 is 12. Count your zeros, which is 1, and we add the 1 0, 120. If you remember the trick with the 11s, 11 times 12, stack them up. Carry this 2 over here. Carry this 1 over here. I leave a gap in the middle, and then I add these 2 numbers. 1 plus 2 is 3. The 3 goes in the middle. So 12 times 11 is 132. Again, split the number that's not the 11. Carry those 2 numbers down. Leave a gap in the middle. Then add your 2 numbers. 1 plus 2 is 3. 11 times 12 is 132. All right, with the last one, 12 times 12, maybe the best thing for you to do is just set up a real quick 2 by 2 area model. And we're going to put a 10 here and a 2. This is my 112, a 10 here, and a 2 here. This is my other 12. 10 times 10, you know, is 100. You know 10 times 2 is 20. 20 goes here. We're doing 10 times 2 again, another 20, and then 2 times 2, which you know is 4. Add up your 4 numbers. 100 plus 20 plus 20 plus 4. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 plus 4 is a 4. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 2 is also 4. Carry your 1 down. 12 times 12 is 144. Okay, Elise. Good luck. I want you to practice these. Let's see how you do. Try to remember some of these strategies. You can watch this video a couple times to just try and hopefully figure out some ways to help you solve these 12s. A lot of them I do believe you know. There's just a couple we probably need to master to finally finish our multiplication facts for the year. Okay? Good luck, Elise. Talk to you soon. Bye.